Our mission is to solve the world's energy problem. This is a really difficult issue. When we began our journey, we started with taking a hard look at what is the energy problem and why don't we have a sustainable future today. The majority of the world agrees that we should build a sustainable future. However, when we take a look at history, what you'll realize very quickly is that we've actually had renewables now for over 100 years. In fact, when we installed the first electrical grids in New York City, photovoltaics had already been invented, which kind of begs the question at the end of the day, if we've had 100 years now to build a sustainable world, why haven't we already done it? The reason for this is the simple fact that renewables are more expensive and less profitable than fossil fuels. If we're going to build a sustainable future, what we need is a source of energy that inverts that equation, making clean energy more cost-effective than oil and gas. In order to accomplish that, it became very clear to us that we would need a source of energy that possessed a handful of key attributes. The first is that it would be always on, so it would be a non-intermittent source, producing power day or night, rain or shine. Additionally, you'd want that source to be decentralized, meaning you could place it anywhere in the world and have power at the source of consumption, as you lose a tremendous amount of efficiency when you move power through transmission lines. Additionally, you'd want that source to be scalable for a range of applications, both big and small. As well as when I say scalable, what I really mean too is using readily available parts and materials that are not difficult to get or constrained supply chains so that it could be a mass manufactured source. And then as a built-in inherent benefit, it would be a truly sustainable source. And if you could check all of those boxes, you'd have what I would consider to be the ideal source of energy for the future. With all of those attributes in mind, we began a search, looking for new sources of energy that would be capable of checking all of those boxes. We looked at everything from nuclear fusion to hydrogen to new types of battery chemistry. But along the way, we kept running into physicists and scientists that at the time were proposing this idea that empty space around us isn't actually empty at all. It's actually full of energy, and it may be possible to tap into that form of energy at the quantum level and harvest it to produce electrical power. At that point in time, we didn't know if it would be possible, but we knew if we could figure it out, it would be the most ideal source of energy for the future. So after nearly a decade of research, thousands of experiments, lots of trial and error, we've proven that you can actually harvest energy at the quantum level from space around us and use it to generate electrical power. Today, we're working on building a quantum energy generator, one that is designed to provide energy freedom and independence to homeowners, communities, and data centers, giving the world an affordable, decentralized, clean energy solution. This is power reimagined.